Everyone, meet Tom. He doesn't talk much, but he was pretty nice. Alright guys, so we have made it to the room. The room is super nice. It's super nice, amazing view. And they gave me the one with the balcony, dog. Oh, shh. And they gave me the one with the balcony, dog. Super lit, super. And, dog, come on. Y'all know shit? Swing Fong, dog. Come on, y'all supposed to know this. Dog, this joint is beautiful, dog. But I'm about to go eat because they said we had lunch from 11 to 1 and it's like 12 o'clock, so I got about an hour to go eat right quick. But anyways, yeah, the joint's lit, dog. It's happening, guys. So I finished up the Diva Pill experience of getting my hair deep conditioned and styled by the Diva stylist for the very first time ever in my history of ever miss. Yeah, loved it, absolutely loved it. Yeah, so we're all about to finish up and wrap up, and I think we're heading back to the hotel, and that's gonna be the end of day one. So I'll see you there. Good morning, it's 6:30 a.m. Saturday, and we are about to catch the bus and go snorkeling.
my camera actually died, so I missed the very first part of everything. I'm sorry, but the only thing we did for the first part was we made a mojito. We made a diva mojito, which was green. It was out of matcha stuff. Alright guys, so we just wrapped up the cooking class and we are now heading back to the hotel.
Everyone, if he's tipsy, give this video a like, which means he's gonna get a lot of likes.
I did the same thing twice.
Good morning, we are on day 3 and last night was incredibly fun. We had so much fun. It was like 10 influencers and we all went out and to enjoy the Miami nightlife. It was absolutely crazy. Now we're about to go eat breakfast and then I'm gonna go ahead and get a massage at 12. It's currently like 10:40, so I'm like rushing right now. Let's go see what everyone else is doing. Alright guys, so I just got my massage. Felt absolutely amazing. Like, I smell all coconutty and stuff. And then you know what else, bruh? I get out the massage and I look at my face and it's, what happened? What literally, where her hands, I don't know what she did, but she made this disappear. I'm about to get ready, quickly get ready, meet everyone downstairs, and we're gonna go to lunch and see everyone off at that point. Yeah. Alright everyone, we said our farewells. The trip is coming to an end and yeah, it was an amazing time. Thank you Diva Curl. Thank you to all the other influencers who had such a great time. And yeah, I'll see you all at the airport.